non-stoichiometric defect. What is the non-stoichiometric defect? Okay, non-stoichiometric compound are those where the number of different types of atoms or ions present are not exactly in the same ratios indicated by their chemical formula. Okay, non-stoichiometric, non non-stoichiometric, 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 non-stoichiometric compounds are those non-stoichiometric compounds are those where the number of different types, where the number of different types, where the number of different types of atoms or ion types of atoms or ions present are not exactly present are not exactly in the same ratios, in the same ratios indicated by their chemical formula, indicated by their chemical formula, okay, indicated by their chemical formula. Such compounds do not obey such compounds do not obey the law of constant composition, obey the law of constant composition in ferrous oxide, ferrous sulfide, or cupric sulfide, and the ratio of Fe ratio S or Cu ratio S differs from the indicated by general chemical formula, differs from the indicated by their general formula, okay, general chemical formula, okay. The ratio is not exactly 1:1. The ratio is not exactly the ratio is not exactly 1:1. In these cases there must be either in excess of metal ions or deficiency of the metal ions, or deficiency of the metal ions, deficiency of the metal ions, okay. Electrical neutrality, is maintained either is maintained either an excess of metal ions, either excess of metal ions are deficiency, excess ion or deficiency of metal ions, of metal deficiency of metals ions, okay, metals ions, okay, deficiency of deficiency of metals okay, metals ions. Electrical neutrality is maintained either by having extra electron in the structure. Electrical neutrality is maintained. Electrical neutrality is maintained either by having extra electron, either by having extra electrons in the structure and changing in the structure and changing. The charge are some of the metal ions. The charge are some of the metal ions due to this crystal structure. Due to this crystal structure becomes irregular it contains defects which are called non-stoichiometric defects, okay. For example, FES, FEO, CEO, NIO, and TIO, etc. Okay, NIO and TIO, and TIO, CEO, NIO, and TIO, etc. Okay. Then non-stoichiometric defects are of two types. Non-stoichiometric defects are of two types. Okay. First, metal excess defects. Second, metal deficiency defects. Metal deficiency defects. There are two types: metal excess defects and metal deficiency defects. Okay. Non-stoichiometric defect. Non-stoichiometric compounds are those where the number of different types of atoms or ions present are not exactly in the same ratios indicated by their chemical formulas. Such compounds do not obey the law of constant composition in FeO, FeS, CuS, The ratio of F ratio O, F ratio S and C ratio S differs from that indicated by general chemical formula. The ratio is not exactly 1:1. In these cases, there must be either an excess of metals ion or deficiency of metals ion. Electrical neutrality is maintained either by having extra electron in the structure and changing the charge or some of the metals ions. Due to this crystal structure becomes irregular, it contains defects which are called non-stoichiometric defects. For example, ferrous sulfide, ferrous oxide, copper oxide, neon oxide and titanium oxide, etc. Non-stoichiometric defects are two types. First is metal excess defect and the second is metal deficiency defects. First is metal excess defects and second is metal deficiency defect. Metal excess defect, metal deficiency defect. Okay, thank you.